Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far and welcome to today's video where I have very excitingly just received my birthday gift from Dior. I am a platinum Dior loyalty member, so this is my platinum birthday present for this year. So I thought we would unbox it together and I can share my thoughts on this present as well as the loyalty scheme from Dior altogether and my experience and some previous gifts that I have received, and you can decide for yourself whether you think it's worth it or not. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the Dior loyalty program. This is specifically for Dior Beauty as opposed to the fashion side of the brand. So for the beauty side, your loyalty program comes with 4 tiers. You have pearl, silver, gold, and platinum. So platinum, which is my tier, is the highest of the 4 tiers that you can get to by purchasing from Dior. So I always recommend, for a few reasons, purchasing from brands, not just Dior, but brands like Dior, Chanel, Gucci, all of those luxury houses that have a makeup line. I would always recommend, if it's convenient, to purchase directly from those brands' own websites, because they always have the super bougie, luxurious gifts and packaging and little samples and little touches. But it also means that with time you will climb up the loyalty tiers, whereas if you keep ordering from other retailers, then you're not adding into your loyalty tier and climbing the tiers, because the higher you go on those loyalty tiers, the better the gifts and the perks that come with it will be. So let me talk you briefly. I mean, these are sort of subject to change. The spend that it will take you to get to each loyalty tier and also what you receive in each loyalty tier is subject to change, and I guess likely to be different depending on where you're based. So this is the most recent information for the UK Dior program. Please let me know if yours differs and how it differs in the comment section down below, depending on where you're based.
Hi guys, editing Charlotte popping in, interfering here. Would you actually believe it? I recorded this and I went on the Dior website and read out all of the information about each of the loyalty tiers with how much it will cost you to enter each tier and the benefits. When I came to edit it, which was literally the next day, I went back onto Dior's website because I wanted screenshots of that information to include in this video, and the website was down for a few hours. It was under maintenance. When it came back, they literally had changed all of the information on the loyalty tiers. So that means most of what I'm about to say in this video is no longer true, but bear with me, don't go anywhere, because I will be putting the brand new information on the screen. So discount what I'm saying and read from the screen what it says in the screenshots, because they've changed it all. I swear this happens to me every time I record a video. Someone is conspiring against me. I'm so sorry about it, but such is YouTube life. Okay, anyway, back to the video. Disregard everything I'm saying.
So the entry level to the program is pearls. At this level, all I can really see that you will get is, with your second purchase, any amount, but the second time you shop, 2 separate occasions on Dior's website, you will get like a luxury miniature. Typically it will be a mini fragrance. Quite often that's what I've received in the past. And you will also get like an invite to an express makeup session in a Dior boutique. I've never done that. I've never taken up that offer, but because I don't live anywhere near a Dior boutique, but you certainly could if you wanted to with that pearl level. So for silver, that comes with a minimum of £250 spend in 12 months. So it doesn't have to be January to December. Whenever you make your first spend within the loyalty program, that's when your 12 months starts and that's when it will renew. So you have 12 months to spend £250, and that will get you into the silver tier. With your silver tier, you will get a little welcome gift. You will also get a birthday gift. It says event invites as well as the express makeup service. So that's, again, go and have a makeover in a Dior store. The event invites, I've never received one of those in my life to anything, as far as I'm aware. So take that one with a pinch of salt. We then have gold. So gold, you have to spend £600 in that 12 months. And for that, you will get the gold welcome gift, the gold birthday gift. You also apparently, again, get the early product access. We'll come back to that in a moment. Free delivery and exclusive beauty, skincare services and premium miniatures. So take some of this again with a pinch of salt. That early product access, I have never noticed any kind of early access to anything. Typically when there are new releases on Dior's website, as far as I can see, they are just readily available. I don't appear to get emails telling me, oh, you've got your early access starts now, like I do with the Lisa Eldridge loyalty program, for example, being an emerald tier. And even if you go through a link from another emerald, if your account and you sign in to Lisa Eldridge's account, website, into your account, if you're not an emerald, you still won't be able to shop those products. So it's not like that. I don't know what that means really, because as I said, whenever anything is launched, so far I've been a platinum for I think 3 years now, and I have never that I can remember, again maybe I'm missing something, noticed that I have early access to anything. And if there is, I've just found it myself, and anyone can follow the link and find it. So I don't know that that's necessarily working as it should. And I also think it's worth noting the premium miniatures. I don't think you just get those with every order. I still think there's like a minimum spend on an order to receive the premium miniatures the majority of the time. So some of this is like, we're playing a little fast and loose with the truth. And then we have platinum, which is my tier. So for this one, the additional, you get all of the benefits that we've had in the previous tiers. You get your birthday gift, your welcome to the tier gift, which you get each year as you cross the 12 months. If you stay in platinum, you'll get another welcome gift, your birthday gift. You also will get a surprise gift, which typically comes sort of in the middle of the year, I've found, as well as free next day delivery, which is DPD, which I really like. That is a big perk of platinum. And then again, it will say, you know, exclusive services, early access. Apparently, I've never experienced it, but apparently that's in the perks, and premium gifts. So the gifts, although you get the same gifts, I think you get an extra gift with each tier. So in silver, you get welcome and birthday. In gold, you get welcome and birthday are the same, but there'll be a nicer, more expensive gift. At gold, as opposed to silver, you won't get the same gift. And then at platinum, you'll get nicer gifts again, higher value gifts, and you also get the additional surprise / seasonal gift. And at platinum, you need to spend £1,200 to reach the platinum tier in the 12 months. And again, it resets. It starts whenever you make your first purchase, and it resets at the end of the term. So that's regardless of where in the year you are when you started. So those are the tiers and the benefits and the amounts that you need to get into them. So I'm going to show you the couple of gifts that I haven't sort of used up or given away that I've received over the years as a platinum member. I just think that's useful to see more than one so that you sort of know what they are, because they really have varied over the year. I've got a couple, like they're all very different to each other. So I think this was last year's birthday gift, and this is a folder, as you can see, and it has stationery inside. So you have a notebook, as you can see. I've never used it, it's much too beautiful. I can't bring myself really to use these things because they're so beautiful. And then you have a set of pencils in this beautiful sleeve. I know a lot of people were quite disappointed with this gift, but I wasn't. I thought this was really beautiful, and for me it's something really beautiful to keep. And sometimes I'll have it on display, like in my backdrop or in my beauty room. So I really liked that. I thought it was really nice that it was something different, but I know a lot of people would rather have makeup or a beauty item, which is fair enough. I understand. Another gift I got was this, I guess, jewelry box, makeup case, whatever, however you would like to use it. So it looks like this inside. This side has a really large mirror and it slots in like this, and of course you could put whatever you would like. So you could put nail varnishes, lipsticks, you could use it as a jewelry box, whatever you would like, and it has Dior on the lid. Again, I thought that was a fantastic free gift. I do think it's important to look at these gifts as free gifts. I don't think it's a good idea to sort of spend and buy things from Dior in order to join the loyalty program or to go up a tier that you weren't going to buy anyway. I try really hard not to do that. Perhaps if I was sort of £5 away, I might pick up, you know, something small just to tip me over, but I certainly don't think that the gifts are worth spending hundreds of pounds on makeup just to get the gifts, if you see what I'm saying, because that's, you might as well just buy yourself something, okay? That's not reaping the benefits. So please bear that in mind. I don't think any of these gifts are worth spending £1,200 for, but obviously that is a lot of money, and the only reason I'm in the platinum tier is because I have my YouTube channel and Dior is a very popular brand, so I do buy a lot from the brand, mainly for review purposes, but it is one of my favorites, so that's why I'm platinum. I certainly don't think I would be if it wasn't for me creating content and therefore buying more shades of things than, you know, I typically would if it was just for my own purposes. If they release a new lipstick, for example, I might buy 5 or 6 shades to demo and do swatches and things, and the same thing, you know, with their bronzer sticks and blushes and things. I will buy products that I don't necessarily want or need for review purposes, so that's why I've found myself in platinum. But please don't spend £1,200 just for the gifts, because I definitely don't think you'll feel like it's worth it. But let's open this year's gift. So my birthday was in January. Something I do want to point out is when you're due a gift or a gift you've earned a gift, it will show in your account if you go into your loyalty rewards account, and it will say that you're, you know, there is a gift. This gift, and this has happened to me before, stated underneath redeemable in store. I don't live anywhere near a Dior beauty counter, so all I did is I went on the live chat, I think, or no, I emailed customer service, who are excellent, by the way. I've had a few issues over the years with products I've bought from Dior and they've always been outstanding, the customer service. So I emailed them and said, I'm due my platinum birthday gift and it's saying that it's only redeemable in store. Is there any way this can be sent to me instead? And it was immediately sent. So don't just give up because it says redeemable in store if you can't reach a store, or maybe it's out of stock when you go into your nearest store. Please make sure you contact customer services, because you are entitled to it and they should send it to you, as they did to me, with no questions and no paying for your shipping and no need to purchase anything. It should just be sent to you because you earned it, okay? So let's open this together. Do the very satisfying tear. Okay, so here is the box, and we have that Dior tissue paper that is very annoying, gets everywhere. Okay, and this is the box. Very nice, large, substantial, luxury feeling box. I'm going to show it to you before even I see it, you lucky devils. Okay, there she is. I think this is by far the best birthday gift I have received from Dior. We've got 3 brushes and a gorgeous brush case. Let's take them out and have a little look. So here is the brush case, gorgeous gold zip and like an off-white. And these lovely do not eat sachets. That's what she looks like inside. Really nice size, feels very solid, very luxurious, weighty, feels like it will take very good care of your brushes, and you could fit quite a few brushes in there for travel as well, which is great. So first brush we have number 11, protector off. So this is a complexion brush. Number 11, perfect for foundation, concealer, eye primer, really any liquids. a very, very soft, beautiful brush. These are my first Dior brushes. I've never purchased Dior makeup brushes before, so this is new to me. We then have brush 16, which is a small powder brush, beautiful slant, perfect for blush, highlighter, contour. There she is. Very narrow, actually, the taper. Very interesting, can't wait to use that. And then finally we have brush number 21, which is an eyeshadow brush. Looks very versatile, could easily be a lid shade, packer shade, crease shade, liner, eyebrow arch, highlighter, inner corner. Very versatile little brush. You could also use this on your lower lash line, which is really nice. If you're going to get one eyeshadow brush, it's nice that it's such a versatile one. There is 21. So I've just popped them in there so you can see there's so much more room for other brushes and extra brushes if you want to use this to travel with. You could fit, let's see, I have my brush collection in front of me because I was filming something else. So let's just pop a few brushes in and see how many we can get in there. So you can fit, you know, a huge amount of eyeshadow brushes in there because they're typically smaller, not as chunky, and obviously much smaller amount of bristles. We've got 13 in there so far and we still have plenty of room. So that's a really decent travel case for brushes. Absolutely, you can fit all of your kind of essential brushes for travel in there with absolutely no problem whatsoever. So I am thrilled with this gift. I think by far this is my favourite ever birthday gift from Dior. I think this is absolutely not leaving me feeling disappointed. I'm really, really happy with it. I also like, if you look at the 3 gifts I've received over the years, they're so different, which I really appreciate. That's why I wasn't disappointed by the stationery, because I didn't want to have, you know, another makeup case because I already had that, and then what are you going to do with them all? You're going to end up gifting them or giving them away and not actually treasuring them, which is, you know, the whole point, that it's something that you would like, that you would get some enjoyment out of. It's supposed to be a present after all. So I really like that they are so different each time, and it's something different that I can use. That is just a lovely little treat. But like I said, please don't go spending the amount that you need to get into these loyalty tiers in order to get the gifts, because I think at the end of the day you would not pay £1,200 for the travel case and 3 brushes, if you see what I'm saying. So please don't do that. I don't think it's worth that, but it is just a really nice bonus if you are shopping Dior makeup quite frequently like I tend to. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and the little bit of information about the Dior loyalty program. I do think it's a really good one. I do wish the early access that we are supposed to get actually was a true thing, because I really don't think it is. I never think that I have received any earlier access than anybody else, but I do think it would be nice if we did. So yeah, please let me know. Are you a member of the Dior loyalty program? Does it work for you? Do you get earlier access than I do? Do you know something I don't? Please let me know all of your thoughts in the comments section down below. But thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.